Are you looking for ways to elevate your true happiness, harmonize your emotions, and live from a deeper state of inner peace? If yes, then my advanced meditation course is your next step. Created for existing meditators, I'll start off by rounding out your foundational knowledge, then dive deeper into further learning to enhance your practice. From there, I'll provide clear, step-by-step processes which are highly effective and easy to follow that will guide you into deeper meditations. I'll then provide a template on how to create your own themed meditations, as well as enlightening suggestions on how to guide others into deeper meditative states. If it's time for you to take a hold of your life while evoking a deeper level of inner knowing, calm, and divinity, then click the button to begin. I look forward to seeing you in class.